Unit 1. Evie's best friend.
Hi, I'm Evie. I've got lots of friends, but my best friend is Chloe. She's in my class at school. Chloe's very different from me. I've got short, curly hair, but she's got long hair. Chloe's got blue eyes, but my eyes are brown. Chloe lives with her mum and her stepdad, and she's got 2 stepsisters, Isabel and Amelia. I've got a little brother called Tommy. Chloe is quite sporty. She does gymnastics and she likes swimming. She can do butterfly very well and she can dive. I don't really like swimming, but I love playing basketball.
William's best friend.
Hello, I'm William. I've got a friend called Charlie, and he's my best friend. We don't go to the same school, but we live next to each other. Charlie lives with his mum and his grandparents, and I live with my mum and dad. We haven't got any brothers or sisters. Charlie and I have both got short brown hair and brown eyes, but we're very different. Charlie's very lively, but I'm a bit shy. We both love music and we both play the guitar. Charlie isn't very good, but he can dance very well. I hate dancing.